I'm Ray from YCIS Pushi Year 12, and I'm a member of Team 89644B here for the Maker Faire event to help out with the VEX booth.
I'm Eddie in the same school at the 18, and also here to help out.
We have two bots here. The goal of this season is there's these balls that we have to score into long goals, and whichever team scores the most balls, they win. Yeah, these are the balls. There's a scrimmage during November, and then after that we will be attending to a competition that is a qualifier for Alchemist. Alchemist is a qualifier for the World's Championships, which hopefully we can make our way into.